So what is Resonance Capital all about? So this is a company that was registered in Scotland a year ago in 2016, and so they've been around for a year. And just recently, on the 2nd of March, they have launched a new online service. So they basically have introduced a new website. Well, and since then, it really becomes more popular across the online community. So, and in the next slide, I would like to explain what the core competency of the company is. And Resonance Capital would deal with so-called penny stocks, and those are basically very low price shares from companies, from small companies, from startups, and they would be worth around €1. So in the Eurozone, we would call it €1 stocks, and in the States, they would call them $5 stocks. So, and as I said, those are very low price shares, and they can offer really real big opportunities if you apply the right trading strategy. So for example, if you have a €1 stock and it increases to 120 the next day, so basically 20 cents that you have earned, which doesn't sound a lot, but this is still 20%. So just imagine if you have like 1,000,000 of those stocks, and you would earn $200,000 in a day. So this is massive. So if you apply the right strategy and pick the right portfolio, you can really earn a lot of money. And this is what Resonance Capital was focusing on for the last few years, and now they have launched this online service that you all can use. So yeah, as I mentioned, that company was registered in Scotland and is a resident of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. So yeah, what are the capabilities of Resonance Capital? So Resonance Capital has developed a range of investment portfolios which focus on medium and long-term investments. And yeah, having the experience in the financial market, Resonance Capital can really allow every investor to earn weekly income, and yeah, and have the investors to have free time to to just watch their assets work and to just have the free time for their own. Yeah, what's the mission of Resonance Capital? So in the next 3 years, they would like to become one of the leading financial institutions in the world. And what is really important for Resonance Capital is transparency. And they also apply a very individual approach to each of the clients. And they're really confident in their capabilities and abilities. So, and what they really pay attention to is, or what they really value is that every customer would have respect and trust in the company. So what are the advantages of Resonance Capital? So the company was officially registered in Scotland, in Edinburgh, and the today's working capital is slightly above 12 million US dollar. You will have the possibility to conclude a formal contract with the company. You don't have to do it. So to withdraw money, you don't need to have this contract, but you can if you wish. So, and of course, the priority is really to maintain a complete control of investments, which is kind of self-explaining and common sense. And the company employs 19 specialists across the world. So what is the product of Resonance Capital? So the company would offer 7 different investment portfolios. So the starter package would be test, and then they have a start package, a bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and VIP. So let me just take a few minutes and explain every each of those. Yeah, let me begin with the test package. So that one you get for free. So after you register, you just get a free test portfolio with $5 on it. So you get $5 for free, and this package will work for 28 days and will make you earn 12% net. So in total, 112%. So and yeah, the deposit is included in the payments. So that means you get 112 in total, and if you deduct the deposit of 100%, you will have 12% net. The next portfolio is the test portfolio. Yeah, that's the same that I explained previously, and this is what you get. If with your $5, you get 140 a week, and that would give you 560 after 4 weeks. So the net income is pretty much 60 cents. Which doesn't sound a lot, but well, this is just for free, and you can simply test how the site works and how the payments will be conducted and how you can withdraw money. So the minimum withdrawal value is $5. So this is exactly what you can do here after 28 days, just to test the service. So the next portfolio would be Start, and this would work for 168 days, and you will get 6% per week and 24% per month. So, and you will get 144% after 168 days. So 168 days, this is basically 24 weeks. So the assumption here is that 1 month is 4 weeks. So that means this plan will work for 6 months. So, and if you get 24% a month, after 6 months you have 144%. So assuming you have invested $100, after 168 days you will have $144. So you deduct 100%, which is the initial deposit, and then you will have $44 net profit. So promotional tools that you get, so you can certainly have a promo link, affiliate link that you can use to attract partners. You will get animated banners, so just download them from the back office, and you get an agent status. So the interest will be accrued weekly on every Friday, but you can withdraw at any time on any day of the week. The next one is Bronze. And here the period, the investment period is the same, 168 days. So you can invest from 150 to $700, and the total profit would be 148.8%, which is gross, and the net profit will be 48.4%. And here again you get all the promotional tools, and you get banners and so on. So the next portfolio will run for 336 days. So this is pretty much 12 months. As I mentioned, every month is 4 weeks in this case. Yeah, it normally isn't, but for the ease of calculation, they use 4 weeks for a month. So that would mean we get 12 months, which is 336 days. So after those 336 days, you will make 158.4%, which is 58.4% net, and you can invest from $800 to $2,000. Yeah, the next one, Gold. So that will give you 168% gross and 68 net, and you can invest from 2,500 up to $5,500. Platinum. So this will also run for 12 months and 336 days, and you will get 180% in total, and you can invest from $6,000 to $9,000. VIP, so that's the biggest portfolio, and yeah, that really offers you the opportunity to invest big amounts from 10,000 to $16,000, and this will give you a net profit of 92% after 336 days. Yeah, the bonus deposit. So this is the deposit you get in your test portfolio. So as I mentioned, you get $5 for free, and if you invest in one of those portfolios that I have just explained, you will get a bonus on top. So for example, if you buy a start package, which is from $50 to $150, you will get $10 as a bonus in your test portfolio, right? So the bigger your portfolio that you will buy, the bigger the bonus you will get. For example, if you buy a silver package at $800, you will get $100 into this test portfolio. Well, $100 that will work for 28 days. So at the end you get $112, which is basically your bonus. Yeah, what are the payment processors that are available? So today we have Swift, so bank transfer, we have Perfect Money, we have Advanced Cash, we have Nix Money, and we will get Payer and Bitcoin pretty soon. It's just a matter of days, and by the time you watch this video, probably Payer and Bitcoin will already be available. So there are no obligations. You don't have to buy any portfolios to achieve any special profits. You just buy the portfolio you want to buy because you have decided to buy it, and the registration is absolutely free and it will take you just 1 minute. So it's a very easy process. You just enter your phone number and yeah, your password, and you will get an SMS, and then you can confirm it with a code, and you are a customer of Resonance Capital. So let's discuss the bonus program and the career plan. Very exciting. So when you register and invest in the start package, you will become a consultant. So the consultant will make you earn a classic bonus, which is 3% from all investments made in your first level, meaning your direct line. So all your direct partners, if they invest, you will get 3% of this volume. So the next rank is manager. So to achieve the manager rank, you have to have $2,000 of sales in your structure, and that will make you earn a affiliate commission of 5%, and it will give you 2% on top on all purchased portfolios in your structure, and that really means all. Yeah, no matter on what level your partner is, it can be 20, it can be 30, it can be 40, you will still get the 2%. There is only one requirement: your rank has to be higher than the rank of this specific customer that made the investment. Top manager, so you have to have $20,000 in your structure, and that will make you earn 7% in your first level, and it will give you from 2 to 4% on all deposits in your structure. So why the difference? What is the difference between 2 and 4? So the classic bonus for all levels is really depending on how much higher you are in the rank. So if your partner is manager, so there is just one level difference, that will give you just 2%. If your partner that has invested is a consultant, that means you have 2 ranks in between, that will give you 4%. So the higher the distance or the difference between the partner that invests, the higher the deposit, the affiliate commission you get. So with the top manager rank, you also get a structural bonus, which is based on earnings, not on volumes. It's based on profits. So on all profits that your first level customers will make, you get 1% bonus. And you will also get a one-time bonus for achieving the rank, which is $1,000, and you can withdraw it just immediately. The very same second you receive it, you can withdraw that bonus. The next level is director, and that requires you to have a structure of $50,000, and the first level commission will be 9%, and you get from 2 to 6% on all levels, and the structural bonus will be extended. It will be extended to 2 levels. So the first level is 2% and the second 1%, and you will also get a one-time bonus of $2,500. The next rank is general manager, and that will require you to have 100,000 US dollar in your structure. And on the first level, you will receive 11%, and you will receive from 2 to 8% on all deposits in your structure. And the structural bonus will be extended, so you will get the structural bonus on 3 levels. You will also get a one-time bonus of 5,000 US dollar. President, so that will require you to have $300,000 in your structure. You get 13% in the first level and 2 to 10% on all levels. And the structural bonus is a 3-level bonus, and the one-time premium bonus is 15,000 US dollar. Shareholder rank, so that will require you to have $500,000 in your structure. You will get 15% on the first level, from 2 to 12 on all levels, and the structural bonus will increase slightly, so you get 3, 2, and 1, and then the premium bonus will be 25,000 US dollar. Shareholder 1 star, so that will require you to have a sales volume of 1 million in your structure, and 17% you get from the first level, and you get from 2 to 14 on all levels, and the structural bonus will remain the same, so it doesn't change. All shareholder ranks will have the same structural bonus, but with the first star of shareholder, you get a car bonus, and which is this nice English SUV Jaguar F-Pace. So if you prefer to have cash instead of this nice car, you can get 50,000 US dollar. So shareholder 2 stars, that will require to have 2 million in your structure, and yeah, the classic bonus goes up to 19, and you get from 2 to 16% on all levels. So the structural bonus remains the same, but the car bonus will become slightly more attractive. You get a German car, which is a Porsche Panamera Turbo S. Yeah, you can also get money instead of the Porsche, which will be 150,000 US dollar. 3-star shareholder, so that will get you a Lamborghini, but all you have to do is just get 3 million in your structure. That's a pretty easy job, isn't it? So, and with rank 4-star shareholder, you get this nice apartment in any country in Europe, which is worth $500,000. It appears that you just have to, that the only choice for you is to take the apartment, no cash instead. So, but still, I mean, that's a very very cool apartment, as far as I can judge. But now it becomes even even more attractive. Now you get a luxus apartment, which is worth 1 million US dollar, and the volume you have to deliver is 10 million. Okay, well, if you become a top manager, you will get a chance to open your own representative office, and the support you get from the company is you get financial support to open the representative office. You will have the permission to use the brand Resonance Capital. You will have full technical support with all the manuals. You will get all necessary contracts and documents, and you will also get a package of branded promotional materials like brochures, flyers, merchandising articles like pens, caps, so all the good stuff you need to promote, and then you get a lot of growth opportunity, and the estimated monthly income will be around $10,000. Well, that's just an estimate, which is pretty realistic, and if you have a lot of partners, I think $10,000 are easily done. And there are many more advantages that you can have a look at on the website and learn more about it. Okay, what's the global idea of Resonance Capital? So they would like to offer every customer a financial freedom So they are very interested in the well-being of every customer, and yeah, they call it a reliable partnership. So I think to sum up this presentation, Resonance Capital would basically say, well, thank you for encouraging us to move forward and for taking an active part in the implementation of our global idea.